What's up, you guys? Biker Dave here. I live in Atlanta, Georgia, and it's usually fairly pleasant climate, in the winter here. But we are about to get an Arctic blast of 0 degrees, wind chill, in the low teens, regular temperature, which it happens every so often, but not very often. Anyway, just going to give you a few tips. If you know you're about to get a very cold snap of temperature, it's going to last a day or two, a few things you can do. Open your cabinets that expose any water pipes anywhere in the house, in the bathrooms or kitchens, that sort of thing. Open all these to let warmer air, from the house get in here. Hopefully that'll help warm up any water pipes that are near the walls. Also, if it's going to be extremely cold, put your water on maybe on the middle setting, and just let it drip. Just let warm water drip constantly. Hopefully that'll help prevent the pipes from freezing, especially ones that are near the outer wall of the house. You can also put a space heater in your basement or in your lower portions of the house. If you have a very large basement or garage, put you a space heater down there and run it, on the middle setting. Hopefully that'll keep the walls fairly warm, and your water pipes coming from outside, it'll keep them warm as well. So, those are some easy things you can do. Also, make sure you disconnect any water hose that is outside. If you got water spigots outside, make sure you disconnect the water hoses from there. You can also put space heaters inside the garage that are near those water spigots. And, hopefully those things can help out. But yeah, we're about to get some serious cold for Atlanta. And we're just trying to do a few things that'll hopefully prevent any disasters from happening as far as frozen water pipes. Make sure you check out our other videos on our channel. We got almost 2,000 videos on our channel relating to fixing stuff around the house, or motorcycles, dirt bikes, ATVs, cars, trucks, scooters, entertainment videos, all kinds of cool stuff on our channel. So check it out. And if our video helped you, or if you feel like you've received any good help from any monetized YouTube video, no matter if it's our channel or any other, make sure you click the thanks button that's underneath the video screen and shoot a donation, no matter what channel it is. They really appreciate it. And we got social media links in the description, eBay store, Amazon store, Facebook page. Check it all out. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you all later.